Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the latest method of how to make a Game Pass in PLS Donate on Roblox. If your Game Pass is not showing or not working, don't worry, I will fix everything step by step. So make sure to watch till the end. First, open your browser and go to the official Roblox website. Log into your account. Now click on Create and open the Creator dashboard. This is where all your games and Game Passes. In the dashboard, click on Creations. Now select your experience, your game. If you don't have a game yet, you must create one first using Roblox Studio. Now, inside your game settings, look for Monetization and scroll down, click on Passes, Game Passes, click on Create Pass. Now upload an image, simple logo or text like Donate. Game Pass name, example, 5 Robux support, VIP donation. Click Create. Now click on your created Game Pass. Go to Configure, Settings, turn on Item for Sale. Then set your price, like 5 Robux, 10 Robux, 25 Robux, 50 Robux, or 100 Reals Robux. Small prices get more donations. Roblox sometimes takes time to update Game Passes. If your Game Pass is not showing in PLS, donate. Wait 5 minutes, refresh Roblox, rejoin the game. This usually fixes the issue. Now open PLS Donate in Roblox. Join a server, go to your donation booth and press E or click Edit Booth. Your Game Passes should now appear automatically. Players can now donate Robux by buying them. That's it. Now you know the latest method to create and use Game Passes in PLS Donate.